Welcome guys, so today I am with the Samsung Galaxy A23 and I'm going to show you how camera pro mode looks in this smartphone. Okay, so to enter the pro mode you have to go for the more modes and then tap on this button. Right here you can find parameters and also right here, so let's start from this part. At the first we can find the ISO and you can adjust it between 800 and 100 manually and also automatically by tapping right here. Next we can find the exposure compensation, and that's the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. We can get it between +2 and the -2 and it basically changes the brightest level on the photo. Right here we can find the white balance. We can get it between 200, 2300 and 10,000. So it changed the temperature of our preview. You can also make it automatically by tapping here, and honestly there is no shutter speed. There's no also the manual focus, so that's lack of the two very important options. Right here you can find the matrix metering. Here we can change the aspect ratio. If you want to get better quality, just go for the 50 megapixel mode. You can enable the camera timer and the flashlight also. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.